On the record of the matter of the people, excuse me, of the state of Michigan versus Alfonso Hernandez, file number 24-02400. Council appearance.
Good morning, Your Honor. Joel Martinez, appearing on behalf of the people of the state of Michigan.
Your Honor, Fred Blackman on behalf of Mr. Hernandez.
Mr. Hernandez, please start your video and unmute. Okay, today's the date and the time that was set for a probable cause conference. Matter is scheduled for preliminary examination on September 5th at 8:30 in the morning. I have a notation here that this needs to be adjourned. Is that correct?
That is, Your Honor. It's on me, Your Honor. I'm going to be out of the state of Michigan next week. And so I would be asking, my client is willing to waive his 21-day rule, and I'd ask him to be set for a second PCC.
Okay. Mr. Hernandez, you understand your right to have a preliminary examination within 21 days of the date that you're arraigned?
Yes.
And you're willing to waive the timeline due to your attorney's conflict in scheduling?
Yes.
Anybody threatening you to do that?
No.
Let me get a new. You want another probable cause conference, you said, counsel?
Yes, if I could, Your Honor.
13th. September 13th at 8:30.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And another exam date. October 17th. October 17th at 9 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Bond set at 7,500, 10% will continue. Any additional matters for the record?
Your Honor, from the people, quickly, I just wanted to make a record that Mr. Markarian did email Mr. Blackman with, well, there isn't an offer at this time, but did let him know that via email. We're looking to negotiate a resolution up in the circuit court, and that discovery was emailed to Mr. Blackman by my office August 26th. I'm not aware of any discovery issues at this time. Mr. Blackman, if you have any, please let me know.
I do not. I do not.
Thank you. Thank you.
I acknowledge. And I acknowledge.
And we do have a copy. We have a copy of that email in our file, actually. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. You're all set for today, Mr. Blackman. Thank you, Mr. Hernandez. Ms. Schroeder, which matter are you here for? Yes.
I apologize. I am here covering on Mosier. It's a Judge Ward file. Judge Attorney Melanie Wanji. Yes.
On the record in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Kyle David Mosier, file number 24-02399. Council appearance.
Jeffrey Billy on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
An assistant public defender, Aaron Schroeder, filling in for attorney of record, attorney Melanie Wanji for Mr. Mosier.
Have you seen Mr. Mosier?
Mr. Mosier, we found out, according to Miss Wanji, she found out is actually in the Livingston County Jail. She did try to make Judge Ward staff aware of this on Wednesday of this week. That is when she found out. But that is where he is right now. He is anticipated a release date of September 7th, I believe. But he has been in contact, he has actually had a meeting with Wanji yesterday. They managed to make one work with our office, and I think there's an offer he wants to accept. It's just a matter of getting here.
Okay, well, he's scheduled for preliminary examination before Judge Ward on September 6th, which would be prior to his release date. So we can continue to that date. And let's see, we'll note here the written. Let's go out. That's great. Any additional matters for the record today?
Nothing from the people, Your Honor.
Nothing further from the defense. Just would ask that we make that written is prepared for next week. Thank you.
I'll note that in the file, so that the criminal department can take care of it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Mr. Shipman, I see.
It's in your
Mr. Goodrich, you ready on home?
Yes,
On the record in the matter, the people of the state of Michigan versus Rico Dwayne Holmes, file number 24-01146, counsel appearance.
Good morning, Your Honor. Case of appearing on behalf of the people. First making a motion to practice on Michigan Court Rule number 8.120.
Motion granted.
and Attorney Luke Goodrich from the Public Defender's Office, representing Mr. Holmes, who is standing to my right.
Okay, Mr. Holmes, today's the date set for probable cause conference. I have one count of larceny from a person's charged as an habitual fourth. And then you have a preliminary examination scheduled in person at the court on September 5th at 8:30 in the morning. And it says that there's been no offer at this time. Negotiations would continue if up at the circuit court. How are we proceeding?
Your Honor, if I may, my office has found that we have, Mr. Holmes has two cases currently with this court. He has another case that's set for probable cause conference next week with this court. We have also discovered on that case that our office has a significant conflict. So the case is being conflicted out to David Carter. He has accepted the case. We would like today to waive the 21 days on this file and have the preliminary exam scheduled on September the 12th at the same time as his file number 2 with this court. So he would have both preliminary exams on the same day with this court.
Okay, and so what's the file number? 24-252. Okay, Mr. Holmes, you understand your right to have a preliminary examination within 21 days of the date that you're arraigned. Okay, and due to you having another file that's going to be before the court on the 12th of September, I'm assuming there's going to be some level of negotiation on a global resolution, or
Perhaps. I think this case is going to go on a while, Your Honor, but
I think which case, this one
well,
or the one that Mr. Carter has?
Mr. Carter is going to get both of these cases. They're
Oh,
both
he's going to get both.
Yes.
Okay, so this one has not yet been conflicted out.
It is. It's being conflicted out too.
Okay,
Both of them are. But it's based on a conflict on case number 2.
okay. And based on the fact that you are going to get a conflict counsel on this, the court's gonna find good cause to go beyond the 21 days. And reset this for the date of your next exam, which is the 12th. However, so he has a PCC on the other matter next week.
Yes.
I'm going to set this for another PCC next week to make
Okay.
sure Mr. Carter has everything he needs. September 5th at 1:30. 1:30. September 5th.
It's at 1:30.
That's correct. An exam was already scheduled for what time? September 12th. You have any questions today, Mr. Holmes?
No.
Okay, we'll get you a copy of your notice to appear. Any additional matters for the record today?
Nothing further from the people. Thank you.
Nothing further from the defense, Your Honor. Thank you.
You're all set.
On this case, she's redoing today's hearing next week. Sorry.
And Mr. Goodrich, you are also on shipment.
This one you don't need to worry about. It's the same thing.
You're right, on shipment.
Yes, Your Honor.
On the record in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Marion Shipman, file number 24-00367. Council appearance.
Jeffrey Billabell on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
And Attorney Luke Goodrich from the Public Defender's Office here to represent Mr. Shipman, who's currently appearing over Polycom from the Haida Prison, Your Honor.
Okay, today's a probable cause conference that's scheduled for Judge Ward, Mr. Shipman, on assault with intent to do great bodily harm, less than murder or by strangulation. There's also a domestic violence.
That's crazy.
And it looks like you're scheduled as well to have a bond violation hearing on September 6th. This matter is scheduled for preliminary examination September 6th in person before Judge Ward. Are we continuing to exam?
Yes, we are here.
Any matters we need to address on the record?
Nothing from the people.
And Your Honor, just so, obviously the court need to have him read it here from the MDOC.
The clerk's office will take care of that.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
No problem. Any additional matters for the record?
Nothing further.
Nothing from the people.
You're all set, Mr. Shipman. On the record in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Naquila Howell, file number 24-02220. Council appearance.
Morning, Your Honor. Case Markarian appearing on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Bobby Ficklin appearing on behalf of Ms. Powell.
Okay, Ms. Powell was present via Zoom. There is an exam scheduled in this matter for like 2 counts of carrying concealed weapon, and then count 3, assault with a dangerous weapon, also felonious assault. I see that there was an offer that was going to be extended at the time, which was no objection to HYTA status due to her attempts to hire an attorney. The court had already found good cause to adjourn the timeline for this, so it is scheduled for an exam September 27th at 9:30. How are we proceeding, counsel?
Your Honor, speaking with Mr. Markarian, we decided to go ahead and schedule the exam, but we will be continuing our conversations about the case and the plea. And if we have something that's structured in place, we will waive the exam at that time. But for now, we're going to keep it scheduled.
Okay. Exam is scheduled in person September 27th at 9:30.
Thank you, Your Honor.
No problem. A bond set at 2,000 personal recognizance and a no contact order in place for the protection of Akiana Smith will continue. Any additional matters for the record?
Nothing further from the people. Thank you.
Nothing for defense, Your Honor.
And you're all set for today, Ms. Powell.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day, everyone.
Thank you. Mr. Palmer,
Yes, Judge.
do you need to speak to your client?
I do not. He and I have already spoken.
Oh, okay. Let's see. On the record in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Amadius Clark, file number 24-02317, counsel appearance.
Good morning, Your Honor. Case Markarian appearing on behalf of the people.
And good morning, Your Honor. Robert Palmer of the Public Defender's Office appearing on behalf of Mr. Clark, who also appears today via Zoom.
What happened to you, Mr. Palmer? We lost you.
Sorry, I'm not sure what happened there,
Oh.
Judge.
Okay, today's the date set for probable cause conference of one count of assault with intent to do great bodily harm less than murder, assault and an assault and battery. And this matter is scheduled for probable cause conference. It says September 5th at 8 a.m. I mean, for preliminary examination, I don't know, preliminary examination take 8 a.m. Let's see here. Okay, someone just wrote it wrong. Should be 8:30 a.m. Are we continuing to exam?
Yes, Your Honor.
I see that there was an offer that was already extended and it said to plead guilty to count 2 of assault and battery. The people will dismiss count 1 and that the defendant is already on probation for Judge Dragon. Is that accurate?
That's all. That's accurate, Your Honor, from my understanding. That's correct.
Okay.
And to be clear, Judge, I have discussed that matter. I've discussed the offer with my client. We are, at this time, we're still desiring to leave the matter set for preliminary exam.
Sounds good. So he'll appear in person next week for his exam. Any additional matters for the record today?
Nothing further from the people. Thank you.
Nothing from the defense, Judge. Thank you.
Bond at 5,000 personal recognizance is going to continue and the no contact order for the protection of Olivia Wheatley will continue. You're all set for today, Mr.
Thank
Clark.
you, Judge.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Are you covering for anyone else?
No, Your Honor. This is point I'm catching up on things. Thank you.
Okay, I've not seen Mr. Etheridge.
It's my understanding Mr. Milks was supposed to be filling in for him today.
Okay, sounds good. On the record in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Sean Flanagan, file number 24-02402. Counsel appearance, please.
Jeffrey Billabell on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
Aaron Robinson, Assistant Public Defender for Mr. Flanagan.
Have you seen Mr. Flanagan?
I have not yet. Is he in Zoom?
There's one person here that's not identified. Who's on the Samsung?
That would be me, Sean Flanagan.
Okay, Mr. Flanagan, today's the date scheduled for a probable cause conference before Judge Ward. I'm covering in her absence. You have a preliminary examination before Judge Ward. It's scheduled in person September 6th at 9 a.m. And this is for one count of assault with a deadly weapon, felony firearm, and a police officer assault resistant obstructing. Are we continuing to examine?
Yes, Your Honor. This will be left separate again.
So you'll appear in person next week for your exam. Any additional matters for the record today?
Nothing from the people.
No, Your Honor.
Right, bond at 10,000 personal recognizance and a no contact order for the protection of a Monica Casino will continue. You're all set, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome. See, on the record of the matters of the people of the state of Michigan versus Amanda Marie Ward, file number 23-01511 and 23-02300, council appearances.
Jeffrey Billabong on behalf of the people.
Thank you, Your Honor. Robert Palmer of the Public Defender's Office on behalf of Ms. Ward, who appears today via Zoom or via Polycom from the Ingham County Jail.
Okay, you can hear us in the jail, Ms. Ward?
Yeah.
Okay, I have two files here, both scheduled for probable cause conference today before Judge Ward, and both having a preliminary examination in person before Judge Ward next week, September 6th at 9 o'clock in the morning. Both a controlled substance, one less than 25 grams, one over 25 grams. How are we proceeding on these?
Thank you, Your Honor. At this time, we're going to leave the matters, both matters set for preliminary examination. Judge Ward has remanded her on another matter, so bond is not an issue at this time.
It looks like both bonds on these are 2,010%. Those will continue. Any additional matters for the record?
Nothing from the people.
Nothing from the defense, Your Honor, but once our conference this morning is over, could I have a breakout room with Ms. Moore?
Yes, yeah, I can put you in one now.
Thank you, Judge.
Yeah, I have multiple matters with Mr. Upgrade. He's not here. I don't see Mr. Coombs or that matter, but it's still early. And Flanagan, you're free to go.
I think that's Mr. Shihad.
I'm sorry?
He has another matter.
No, Mr. Flanagan is here.
Oh,
He just doesn't have his camera on.
oh.
I don't have his, Mr. Shida has, it says Levine. But I don't see the attorney. So are you waiting for a court date?
Mr. Levine is Mr. Lopez.
Who's the attorney?
Word, but he doesn't speak English.
Who's his attorney? Is Steve Milk, Mr. Milk? And he speaks what language?
Spanish.
Well, we're supposed to have a Spanish interpreter on the first matter today. Says Mr. Milks. Right here. Did apply for an attorney. He was assigned Mr. Milks. We have an appearance. Mr. Milk's name on it. And I have a matter with a Spanish interpreter at 9:30, so assuming the interpreter is gonna come. Levine?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Sorry about that.
Okay. On the record in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Mahmoud Shada, file number 24-02435, council appearance.
Jeffrey Bill on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor. Attorney Reynolds Levine on behalf of Mahmoud Shida. I renamed him accidentally here.
Okay, Mr. Shida, you can hear us, correct, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, today's the date set for a probable cause conference before Judge Cynthia Ward on an assault with a dangerous weapon, a malicious destruction of a building, and assault and battery. This matter is scheduled for preliminary examination before Judge Ward in person at the court, September 6th at 9:30. Are you all continuing to your examination?
Took it in that last part cut out, Your Honor. I'm sorry. The last 2 seconds of that cut
Yes.
out.
How are you proceeding?
No, we're going to be leaving it on at this time, Your Honor. Thank you, Your Honor.
Note that here in the file. Again, Mr. Shadal, you have to appear in person next week for your exam before Judge Ward. Bond at $7,500. Personal recognizance will continue. And there should be a no contact order. Well, they did not. No contact order for Mohammed Sial will also continue. Any additional matters for the record?
Nothing from the people.
Likewise, not from us, Your Honor. Thank you.
You're all set.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank
Have a good morning.
Same to you.
Thanks.
Okay, and Ms. Robinson, did you have another file?
Not until 9:30. Mr. Milks is stuck in Judge Ward's courtroom. He'll be open weekend.
Okay, which matter do you have at 9:30?
I
Oh, I
have
see, it was crossed
Mr.
off.
Boyd at 9:30.
What was it crossed off? Do we know what?
Same.
Someone from George Ward's staff crossed that off for some reason.
Oh, okay, I wasn't sure, because I didn't get confirmation back from them if it was gonna be on the record.
They
Oh, I
didn't
didn't either.
bring, they didn't provide me a file for it either, so.
Okay, he
Did-
might
did-
appear at 9:30, so I'll stick around and just to tell him he's good to go.
Did they say what happened, Your Honor?
We're just gonna leave it set.
They just,
We're just gonna leave it.
I don't know, I just didn't get a file and they crossed it off the docket, so. Let's see. Marcia Nesson. Was she in my Zoom?
He's using.
Are you with Joseph Nesson?
Yes, I'm his mother.
Okay, he's in custody?
So, yeah.
Okay, why are you logging into the Zoom room? Did you get a subpoena to appear in court today?
No, I wanted to appear in court for my son, but I have custody of my grandkids and I can't, I'm not bringing them into the court.
Okay, yep, you have to log in. We are live streamed for public access. The virtual courtroom is only for litigants, okay?
So I can't zoom in?
You cannot zoom in, but you can watch it live on YouTube.
Oh, okay, because my son said to go on Zoom and gave me the information to.
Yeah, that's not correct. Only named parties and litigants or people subpoenaed to testify can be in the virtual courtroom to.
Oh, I do apologize. How do
No
I
problem.
go? How do I go to the YouTube?
If you go on YouTube, that you just will type in Judge Simmons courtroom, it should pop up.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
All right. Take care.
So, Mr. Etheridge's people are not here unless I missed something. It's interpreter? Well, that worked out because we need somebody to interpret for him. Let's see. You said you're gonna fill in for Mr. Milks?
He's coming over, he's in about 2 minutes.
Okay, you can have a seat, thank you. Let me see, do we know where Mr. Etheridge is?
I do not, but I can go look.
Cause he's got 2 people at 9, I don't see them here.
Sure.
I think Milks is covering for him.
For Etheridge?
Yeah,
Oh,
that was my understanding of the emails I had with Derek.
I see CC Mr. Milks on these emails, so I think that's his understanding as well. Doesn't speak English, but I have an interpreter here on my 9:30 matter that you can borrow.
That might be very, very helpful, Your Honor.
There you go.
Is he online right now?
He's right behind you.
Right behind you.
As is the interpreter.
Would you okay to borrow them?
Yes, please do.
Thank you.
Good morning, what's your name, sir? You're muted?
Marion
What's your name?
Hopkins.
Okay, thank you.
What you do?
Are you ready?
I'm sorry, yes, Your Honor, we're ready.
Okay, on the record in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Franklin Lopez Limas, file number 24-02414, council appearance.
Jeffrey Billy on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
And good morning, Your Honor. Stephen Milks on behalf of Mr. Lopez Limas.
Then we have an interpreter. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Susana Villarreal.
Can you spell it, please? Okay, raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm to interpret in the matter before the court completely and accurately and not divulge confidential communication?
I do.
Thank you. Today's the date for a probable cause conference before Judge Ward. There is a preliminary examination scheduled for a home invasion first, domestic violence, and malicious destruction of property for Judge Ward on September 6th at 9 a.m. in person. How are we continuing at this time?
Your Honor, I did not have a chance to speak with Mr. Bilbey, but we would like to waive the 21-day rule and reschedule this for another preliminary examination, Your Honor. We're trying to coordinate our own interpreter for an in-office meeting.
No objection to that, Your Honor.
Okay, so Mr. Lopez Limas, you have the right to have a preliminary examination within 21 days of your arraignment. But because there was no notification here that a interpreter was needed, your counsel needs to schedule an interpreter so that he can meet with you privately. I'm gonna find good cause to reschedule this outside of the 21 days. Okay? Do you have any questions?
No.
Okay. Do you want another probable cause conference, or do you want to treat next week as a probable cause conference?
I don't think I see a need at this point. The plea offer's been extended.
Okay. October 10th at 8:30.
Thank you, Your Honor.
No problem. Bond was set at 510% and a no contact order. Protecting Yamel Ramirez will continue. Any additional matters for the record?
Nothing from the people.
Nothing from the defense. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. You're all set. Thank you. What are we doing on the post filing?
Modification. There was no. Interpreter.
They here? The people from here. Coons, the people from Coons here? I need, if the attorney from Coons can come in the courtroom. On the record, in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Ivan Delgado, file number 24-00429. Council appearance.
Morning, Your Honor. Casey Markarian appearing on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Ashton Gallagher appearing on behalf of Ivan Delgado, who is standing in the courtroom and present to my right. There is also an interpreter present.
Right, we have a interpreter. It's Ms. Susana Villarreal? Okay, and you've been sworn in. I'm gonna swear you in again on this case. Do you solemnly swear to interpret the matter before the court completely and accurately and not divulge confidential communication?
I do.
Okay. Today was set for a bond show cause. Let's see. There was a bond motion.
Yeah.
What is the bond motion?
Yes, at this time I'd be requesting lifting the condition that Mr. Delgado be required to wear a tether. As I said when we were in court last time, I realize that this is a case in which Mr. Delgado is accused of stalking the victim, Juan Loza. However, I do believe that what the tether has aimed to do, which is protect the victim, is not serving its current purpose. Mr. Delgado and his wife Maria are here today. They gave me 2 incident report numbers that correspond with incidents on July 23rd and August 17th, in which the victim and his son and possibly others showed up at their homes and began harassing them. Mr. Delgado's wife also just showed me a video of the victim breaking the windows of their home on August 19th. I realize this is a lot of issues that, will have to be resolved at trial, but at this time I would be asking for the tether to be lifted. Thank you.
Do you want to respond?
Yes, Your Honor. I will ultimately leave the decision up to the court's discretion on this one. I'll note that it is an aggravated stalking charge. I understand the allegations here, but I haven't even seen an incident report. I haven't seen a PPO. It appears there might be some that I can look into now.
It sounds like they have some incident report numbers and video. You probably show the prosecutor.
I can look into these, Your Honor, but obviously I haven't had time to do so. Ultimately, I'll leave it up to the court's discretion.
You have video?
Ms. Maria Jimenez.
Step out and see the video. So we have today is probable cause conferences.
I mean, if this hasn't been charged yet, Your Honor, I
don't-
can't really be a witness to evidence that hasn't come through a police report and hasn't come to our office. I'm not trying to make myself a witness to the case.
A witness to,
any allegations that haven't been charged or handled with our office yet. I don't necessarily think it's proper for me to go out in the hall and just look at these videos.
okay, this is allegations of the witness interacting with the defendant recently?
On August 19th, yes.
There's a police report? And that was turned over to the police?
Yes.
Okay, I'll amend the bond. I'll remove the GPS tether.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
I'll look into it.
You're all set.
Pero una pregunta, ¿y qué va a pasar con todas las amenazas que están sobre el municipio, sobre ellos?
Mr. Delgado also wanted me to mention that there have been many threats made to his children by the victim and his associates in this case. But again, I know that that's a separate issue.
Hopefully there's been police reports filed and that information is connected to that so that the prosecutor's office can get it, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. You're all set. You need to go back to Ingham County to have the tether removed.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Judge, I can handle both of these after instances.
What happened to Mr. Freeman?
He had a client who did not show up at 8:30 this morning, got a bench warrant issued, and then showed up. So he felt that he needed to be in that courtroom for his client that was set for preliminary thing. And Judge Buchanan, that's my understanding.
Judge Ward stuff is done, right?
That's correct.
Have a good weekend, Judge.
Same to you.
Thank you.
On the record of the matter, the people of the state of Michigan versus Zachary Johnson, file number 24-02412. counsel appearance.
Good morning, Your Honor. Case Mark Aaron.
Aaron Robinson, Assistant Public Defender, standing in for Mr. Etheridge.
I don't believe Mr. Johnson's present, correct?
I don't believe so, Your Honor, but it was my understanding that this case was to be left on for next week. So I'm not sure if Mr. Johnson knew that he needed to be present today.
He needs to appear because I don't have a notification that I indicated that he did need to appear. Nor do I even know that he spoke to the judge.
I did not receive a response back or a PCC email. It was going to be left on for exam.
Your Honor, will you consider a 48-hour hold so I can reach out to him?
48-hour hold. We could pick him over the weekend and get this taken care of while I'm here. Hold it to the end of the day. Someone has contact, and then that'll suffice, but I won't hold it for 48 hours.
Your Honor, I'm sorry, if may I bump in on the same matter?
Yes.
Stephen Mills from Public Defender's Office.
Yes.
Ms. Robinson was kind enough to help me out this morning, but I'm covering for Mr. Etheridge. I will just note that our office did make attempts to contact the defendant, and we did receive the plea offers at this time. I at least just wanted that to be placed in the record.
Sounds good, thank you. Okay. Now, on the record in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Erica O'Neill, on number 24-02381, counsel appearance.
Good morning, Your Honor. Case Mark Aaron, appearing on behalf of the people.
And good morning, Your Honor. Stephen Mills, standing in for attorney of record Derek Etheridge at this time.
This was the matter scheduled for probable cause conference, CSC 4th. I don't see Ms. O'Neill.
That is correct, Your Honor. I did not see her either. There were attempts to contact her. I'm not certain if Mr. Etheridge had the opportunity to actually contact her. I don't know if he sent any response back to the prosecutor's office either.
He did not.
I was your bench warrant. Any additional matters for the record on that?
Your Honor, I will note on behalf of Ms. O'Neill, I do understand she has some mobility issues. Some difficulty in contact, but obviously I'm unaware. People have
Says she has some mobility issues, so there might be what?
maybe some issues with it. I'm not sure. I don't even know if what the contact has been like. So I just wanted to put that out there that there are some mobility issues since Mr. Mills is stepping in.
She only has one leg, Your Honor, so she requires the assistance of the wheelchair.
Okay, but she provided a phone number.
She did, Your Honor, and again, we did reach out for me to try to contact her.
Okay, so since it need, but I don't think that mobility issue addresses a mobile phone,
Not to my knowledge, Your Honor.
and she could have appeared via Zoom. So what is your bench warrant? She does live in Flushing, so I don't know, that might present an issue next week, but it depends if she's even intending or planning to come next week. I don't know. Off the record on those matters. Mr. Freeman? Did you have another one?
One more for Mr. Etheridge, Your Honor. I believe it's at 9:30. Carmelo Simpson.
He's not here either. I don't see. On the record in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Carmelo Simpson. This is file number 24-02483, council appearance.
Morning, Your Honor. Case Mark Aaron, appearing on behalf of the people.
And good morning again, Your Honor. Stephen Mills from Public Defender's Office, standing in for attorney of record Derek Etheridge.
Okay, today was the date set for probable cause conference. Any indications if Mr. Simpson was planning to appear in court today?
Your Honor, attempts were made to contact him. I have not yet had a chance to yell down the hallway. But I do not know if he's here. I know people in the hallway are for other cases. If I could have a brief opportunity, Your Honor,
Okay. If you're not able to contact her, it should have been sworn.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you.
On the record, in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Marion Hopkins, file number 24-00682, Council of Parents.
Good morning, Your Honor. Case Markarian appearing on behalf of. Good morning, Your Honor. Stephen A. Freeman, Assistant Public Defender, appearing on behalf of.
Okay, Mr. Hopkins is present via Zoom. Today was the date set for probable cause conference, 1 count of unlawful imprisonment, count or 2 counts of domestic violence. Second offense. Matter is scheduled for preliminary examination in court September 5th at 9 a.m. How are we proceeding?
Thank you very much, Your Honor. As the court can tell, my client is not incarcerated. I've not had any communications with him. I regret he's appearing by Zoom. I would, on his behalf, ask that this be kept on for exam. On the other hand, there is an attractive offer on the table that I need to discuss with my client, and I suspect that we'll end up plea.
Okay. Mr. Hopkins, what's your phone number?
517-303-8336.
His number hasn't changed since he was arraigned. You need to answer your attorney's phone call. He's gonna contact you, okay?
Okay.
I see that our offer was to plead guilty to count 2 and the people will dismiss counts 1 and 3.
Yes, Your Honor, that's the offer, and I suspect that's the direction we're headed.
Okay. Do you have any questions for the court today, Mr. Hopkins?
No, ma'am.
Any additional matters for the record, counsel?
Nothing for the people. Thank you.
Nothing further, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you. You're all set. I don't know what happened to Nesson. They didn't put him on. Or is he downstairs?
Joseph.
You're all set, Mr. Hopkins.
All right, thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
He was on, probably, you talking about Mr. Nesson?
Correct.
Yes, I think he's supposed to be on probably.
I'll just probably find out what happened.
Okay. He's downstairs.
He's downstairs. Fine, downstairs.
Yes, please. I don't need him here. My understanding is on the 3rd floor, but he's not going to participate.
He's not participating in what? The probable cause conference?
Your Honor, this is an odd situation.
Let me
This
call
is the one
Chambers.
we wanted to meet Chambers on.
You want to meet in Chambers?
Yes, thank you.